Join me as I dive deep into the world of Starbucks to uncover if it's really more of a bank than a coffee shop. When you think of Starbucks, what comes to mind? For most of us, it's a cozy coffee shop where we grab a latte, meet up with friends, or enjoy a quiet moment with our favorite brew. We associate it with the aroma of freshly ground coffee beans, the sound of baristas crafting espresso drinks, and the bustling, inviting atmosphere. But what if I told you that Starbucks is much more than just a coffee shop? What if I told you that Starbucks is quietly operating as a financial institution? That's right. While you're sipping your Frappuccino, Starbucks is engaging in financial activities that resemble those of a bank. But most of us don't realize this because we've been conditioned to see Starbucks as just a place to satisfy our caffeine cravings. In reality, Starbucks has crafted a brilliant business model that merges retail with financial services. It's not just about selling coffee, it's about managing and leveraging customer funds in a way that few retailers ever do. And here's where it gets really interesting. These financial services are so seamlessly integrated into your everyday experience that you might not even notice. Let's start with the Starbucks app. If you're like millions of Starbucks customers, you likely use the app to make your coffee runs faster and more convenient. You load money onto your Starbucks card or app, which you then use to make purchases. Sounds simple, right? But think about what's happening here. You're preloading money onto a Starbucks account, a digital wallet, essentially. That money sits there, sometimes for weeks or months, until you decide to use it. Starbucks, in the meantime, gets to hold on to that cash, interest-free. In fact, the Starbucks prepaid card system is one of the company's most powerful financial tools. As of 2020, Starbucks had an estimated $1.6 billion in stored value on its cards and mobile app. That's $1.6 billion in customer funds that Starbucks is holding on to, effectively acting like a bank. And they're not paying interest on that money like traditional bank would. Starbucks can use this money to invest in their business, fund operations, or even explore new ventures. Now let's talk about those Starbucks rewards. The loyalty program is one of the best in the game. But here's the thing. It doesn't just reward you for being a loyal customer. It keeps you tied to the Starbucks financial ecosystem. By earning stars, you're encouraged to load even more money onto your account to earn free drinks and discounts. It's a win-win for Starbucks. They secure your loyalty and at the same time, continue holding on to those prepaid funds. Quick pause. If you're finding this breakdown eye-opening so far, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I dive into the hidden side of business all the time, and there's so much more to uncover. Now back to Starbucks. The Starbucks app and card system are not the only ways the company acts like a bank. Did you know Starbucks has even dabbled in lending? Yes, Starbucks partnered with fintech companies to offer loans to small businesses, which further blurs the line between retail and finance. They're using their influence and infrastructure to expand into areas traditionally reserved for financial institutions. This isn't just about selling coffee, it's about being a major player in the broader financial landscape. And let's not forget the sheer volume of transactions Starbucks processes every day. In the US alone, over 20 million mobile transactions are processed weekly through Starbucks payment system. That's an enormous amount of data and, more importantly, money flowing through their platform. While most coffee shops might be content to focus solely on selling drinks, Starbucks is playing a much bigger game. What's fascinating is how Starbucks has managed to normalize this behavior without raising eyebrows. When we think of a bank, we imagine a financial institution with vaults, ATMs, and branches. But in today's digital age, financial transactions are no longer confined to traditional banks. With its prepaid cards, mobile app, and partnerships in the lending space, Starbucks has created a financial ecosystem that rivals those of actual banks, all while keeping the focus on coffee. Now, why does this matter? Well, it shows how retail giants like Starbucks are transforming the way we interact with money. By blending retail and banking services, Starbucks is reshaping the financial landscape, and they've done it so smoothly that most people don't even notice. So, what's the takeaway? Starbucks is far more than just a coffee shop. It's a financial powerhouse hiding in plain sight. From prepaid cards to mobile payments to even small business loans, Starbucks has built a financial infrastructure that many of us interact with daily without realizing it. They've turned their customers into financial contributors, holding on to billions of dollars in stored value, all while expanding their reach into new financial markets. And the best part? Most of us are so focused on our next caffeine fix that we don't even notice what's happening behind the scenes. Starbucks has blurred the lines between banking and retail in a way that's not just innovative, it's genius. If this video opened your eyes to the hidden financial operations of Starbucks, leave your thoughts in the comments below. Have you ever thought of Starbucks as a bank before? Or is this all new to you? Also, if you're into uncovering the hidden business strategies of everyday companies, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.